Hey guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. So for this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve this smoky, sultry look that Miss Anthea Bueno did on Nadine Lustre. Sobrang nagandahan ako sa look and for sure madami din sa inyo na gustong i-achieve yung look na to. For this tutorial, napakadali lang talaga ng steps. Not only that, the products in this video ay napaka-affordable, so swak talaga sa budget ninyo. First product that I have here is from Squad Cosmetics. Ito yung kanilang eyebrow pencil in the shade Brunette. For this step, I'm simply filling in my natural brow shape. Hindi na ako mag-shape. So whatever your brow shape is, just color it up with your brow pencil. For the next step, I'm applying concealer on my eyelids to prep it para sa eye makeup look na gagawin ko mamaya. For this look, yung order natin ay from eyes to face. Usually, I do face first and then eyes. But since yung eye makeup look ko for today ay medyo heavy siya, madaming dark pigments na gagamitin, kaya uunahin ko muna yung eye makeup ko para hindi messy kapag may mga fallout yung eyeshadow. Isa lang yung eyeshadow palette na gagamitan ko for this look, and yung palette na napili ko is from Squad Cosmetics. And this is the transition color na gagamitan ko to warm up my lids. This is gonna warm up my crease, to warm up my eyes for darker shades of colors that I'm gonna be using later on. Next, I'm gonna move on to another shade that's a shade deeper, and i-concentrate ko yung shade na to on the outer corner of my eyes, stamping it a bit, giving it a little bit of angle na para magmukhang catty yung mata ko. Mas madali to achieve the catty look kapag you do stamping motion with your brush first, and then that's when you blend out the pigment. Next, I'm grabbing this shimmer shadow using my ring finger. And I'm using my ring finger this time so that I can make use of the natural body heat that my finger is giving off to slightly melt off the shimmer para hindi siya masyadong powdery. Shimmer shadows can get a little bit more powdery compared to matte eyeshadows. Kaya mas maganda if you use your fingers to apply this first on your lids and then use a brush lang to blend out the edges. Now I'm picking up the darkest matte shades, the Squad Cosmetics palette. I'm also concentrating this on the outer corner of my eyes, using a stamping motion and then blending it inwards para to achieve a catty look. Next is I'm gonna clean up any eyeshadow fallout with my wet wipes. For my eyeliner, I'm using the limited edition Vice Cosmetics and Glitz na eyeliner. I'm really sad when I knew that they're not gonna replenish this product anymore because napakaganda talaga ng eyeliner na to, and I wish that they produce more of this because this product is so good. Lalo na yung shade na soft brown. It was such a staple for me. Ngayon, ubos na. So, Mama Ann, Vice, if you're listening, please bring this back. It's so good. For my lashes, I'm using somewhat of a natural looking lash. It's not as dramatic as the other lashes that I normally use for looks like this. But since sa look ni Nadine Lustre, yung ginamit sa kanya ay lashes with length lang. So that's why I'm using this. By the way, yung lashes na to is from one of our Boo fam. So, business owner siya. And the products that she offers ay mga faux mink lashes. And these lashes are really good. I highly recommend them. And you can check them out in the description box below. And finally, makakapag-base makeup na tayo. For my foundation, I'm using my favorite foundation. It's from Squad Cosmetics. This is their You Can Face It liquid foundation. And I'm in the shade Beige. Lately, I haven't been using a lot of foundation. I've been trying to limit myself to use only 1 to 2 drops or maximum 3 drops of foundation lang on my face just so I can discipline my use of foundation and para hindi maging cakey yung look ko throughout the day. And if there are any blemishes peeking through, nagsaspot conceal lang ako, but that's it. To contour my face, I'm using the FS Cosmetics liquid foundation, and this is in the shade Cocoa. This is not strictly a contour product, but this is actually a base makeup for deeper complexion. So I'm so glad that a brand like FS Cosmetics is now offering a shade like this for our deep morena brothers and sisters. So para hindi na ashy yung foundation sa kanila, diba? So I'm so happy for them. But for me, since I'm way lighter than this shade, I'm using it as my contour. And I'm applying a generous amount on my face just because sa look ni Nadine Lustre, napaka-emphasize talaga ng contour, which is what I'm trying to mimic on this tutorial. When contouring your nose, always start from the brow head going downwards. This will make your nose lining process way easier and softer. Now back to the Vice Cosmetics Flawlezza Concealer. This is in the shade So Pinay. And yung shade na So Pinay ay meron siyang peachy undertone to it, which I like using as a color corrector. So I just apply this on my under eyes to balance out any discoloration. To brighten up my face, I'm using the same product but in a different shade. Now this time, this is in the shade Nevice, and it's a shade lighter than my natural skin color. So this will really help define my face even more and brighten it up. To set my face, I'm using the Belo translucent powder, and this product has sun protection. This product is really handy for everyday makeup or for any events na nababad ka under the sun. And to further contour my face, I'm using the Vice Cosmetics contour powder. For my eyes, I'm just gonna add a little bit of finishing touches. So back to the Squad Cosmetics palette, using a very tiny flat brush, I'm picking up the darkest shade to smoke out my lower lid. And again, with the Vice Cosmetics gel liner pencil, I'm adding a little bit of eyeliner on the tear duct area to make my eyes look a little bit wider. To make my face less powdery and less matte, I'm spritzing on the Lux Organics and Glitz na Beauty Mist. For my blush, I'm not a big fan of powder blushes, kaya I always use my lipsticks or cream blushes. So the lipstick that I'm using is from Scout Beauty, and this is in the shade Nude Taste. And I'm just applying it on the higher area of my cheekbones to give my face a more lifted look. And of course, para mas makatipid tayo and mas cohesive yung look, I'm using the same lipstick on my lips. Last but not the least, to top this all off, I'm using this gloss from Glitz Bish. This is their Plump gloss in the shade Sand Nudes. So that's it, you guys, for this Nadine Lustre Sultry Glam. Diba guys, napakadali i-achieve and the products ay napaka-affordable lang talaga. If you like this look and find this video helpful, then please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. See you guys on the next video. No hate, just love.